people, so this is one of those videos. See, tomorrow is Diwali, and I just feel I had to make this video to say that the place where I was working earlier had this amazing soft skills trainer. You know, like as in this trainer, I call him a mind trainer, and his name is MVN Kashyap, and he was the winner of the Karamveer Chakra. And you know, Karamveer is for the kind of work one does, right? So like it's been 4 years since basically I've been seeing my child only 48 hours in a week, since my ex-husband snatched my 4-year-old, all that sad story. uh, so I remember when I had joined work also, for any small thing very unrelated, like I would tear up, you know. So and I used to feel very embarrassed doing that, because I feel nobody should really see you crying and all. So I remember asking this gentleman, any idea why this is happening? So I will forever be grateful for the kind of explanation he gave. Yeah, he said you've been through, like at that point we had this cute little we were all living on campus, you know, like this was a cute startup. So there was a sweet little dog that was with us on the campus, and in fact it would it was with us. It would come off into the office also, like it was the owner's dog. But yeah, she was called Chumki, and she had been through a very bad accident. So that poor animal had to go through repeated surgeries, you know, for to heal. So that's what Kashyap told me this. He said, you know, you've been through literally repeated emotional surgeries, so it is quite natural for you to tear up at the smallest thing, because it is a wound. You just touch it and it will start flowing again. So I found that so amazing, you know, for someone to I mean, and this guy is younger to me, I think, but I was just zapped at his wisdom. So people, I can't recommend this gentleman enough. His name is MVN Kashyap, and he runs his own personality training course, and his own YouTube channel. So it is, this person is someone everybody should interact with at least once in their life. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.